Hi everyone, my name is Raycher Lim. If you ever thought of investing in a city fringe property that is a short walk to MRT or looking to upgrade to a bigger home that is near to not one but 3 top primary schools, you have come to the right place. Today we bring you an exclusive development in Bartley area, a development that offers you the modern ideal home that ticks all the boxes. Welcome to Bartley Vue. Bartley Vue is an exclusive city fringe project well sought after, an exciting new condo development by Wee Hur Holding, a SGX mainboard listed company, comprising of a total of 115 units from 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom to 4-bedroom units. Be it for young couple or for families, this place is suited for you. Location-wise, we are short 5 minutes walk to Bartley MRT station. Living near to the Circle Line, residents will be enjoying the convenience of direct covered walkway to the MRT station, and we are near to 5 major interchange which provide seamless connectivity in reaching one's desired destination. Bartley Vue is within 1 kilometer to Maria Stella High School, Cedar Primary School and Paya Lebar Methodist Girls School. If you are wondering what are the amenities nearby, we are only a short walk away from Tai Seng area with plenty of eateries and cafes. As for retail shopping, we are near to Next Shopping Mall at Serangoon, Paya Lebar Central, Junction 8, as well as the upcoming Woodleigh Mall. For those nature lovers, residents can look forward to getting in touch with nature so close to home with Bartley Vue positioned right next to the Bunga Rampai Park. Furthermore, the upcoming Bidadari Park, which serves as a green lung, is also in the immediate surrounding. Our favorite part of the development is that it is rare to have a 2-point block in a condo project, so every unit in this development is a corner unit. You will enjoy both privacy and exclusivity, living in peace. Another feature will be the unblocked view that you can get from your unit daily. All units will have either north or south orientation, which offer a better elevation of its surrounding, comprising low-rise building and park. Come, let's take a look around the units available. Bartley Vue offers you a range of mixed activity with an exclusive lifestyle here for the whole family. Take this opportunity to seize a unit at a highly sought after location and enjoy its full potential value for the future. Speak to me today. I'm Raycher Lim from ELA and I look forward to hear from you soon.